Welcome to Code School, your go-to place for mastering programming and tech skills. Hi there, I am Pranadeep. I'm excited to guide you through programming, databases, and Linux commands. Whether you're starting or sharpening skills, you're in the right place. From hands-on coding tutorials to deep dives into technical concepts, we make learning simple and fun. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Never miss a new tutorial. Let's learn code and grow together here at Code School, mastering the grep command in Linux. Welcome. Today we explore the powerful grep command in Linux. Grep stands for Global Regular Expression Print. It searches text using patterns. Here is the basic syntax. Grep options pattern file. Let's understand using some examples. First, for searching text in a file. Let's learn this with an example. Using grep command, search for grep text in sample.txt file. See, we got a single line as result that contained the search pattern. Let's see what was the actual content in sample.txt. Cat sample.txt. See here, though exact match was found is single. There are some other with difference in case. How to print all irrespective to case. Let's see this in next example. The second, for searching text in a file with case insensitive. Let's learn this with an example. See here, when we search for a pattern without any option, it searches for exact case. But when I use option I, it searches irrespective to case. In most of the real scenario, we don't know the exact case in the context. So option I is important and useful in searching text. Third, searching pattern in directories recursively. Let's learn this with an example. Here, to search the pattern recursively within the directory, we need to use the -r option, and we are going to search error text in var/log directory. -r error var/log and enter. See, we found the pattern within the directory. Using option n for displaying line numbers. Let's learn this with an example. -n option is mainly used to display the line numbers. See here, grep -n grep sample.txt. We can use multiple options at a time. Let's try. Grep -i-n grep sample.txt. Next, using option C for get count the number of lines of pattern found. Let's learn this with an example. Here, whenever we use -c option, we will get the count of number of lines that found the search pattern. See, we can observe here. And using option V for inversion of the result. Let's see this. -v option represents inversion. Whenever -v option is used, it prints the lines that not found any search pattern. We can see here, expect the matched line, all other lines are printed. Grep is essential for Linux users. It saves time when searching text files. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.